I've never seen that before. Hi everyone, it's Donald, and we are back with another Star Trek Mission Crate. It's been a while since we've done one of these. If you're not familiar, the Star Trek Mission Crate is a variety of LootCrate that comes about bi-monthly, supposedly. And it is full of Star Trek related like collectibles and usually like a t-shirt and other items. So this is the April-ish version. The theme for this month is supposed to be Way of the Warrior. So we can expect some Klingon related merchandise in this box. But let's just jump into it. Ta-da! Let's see. First thing I see in here is that's crazy. A Star Trek Mirror Universe Tribble. Wow. Oh, okay. So if you're familiar with the alien from the original Star Trek series Tribbles, they are little fuzzy. Oh, Lord. This Tribble has a mouth, a ravenous looking mouth. Wow, it does look scary. Oh, wow. I can see why it comes in a little cage. Wow. I've never seen that before. I have a Tribble, but it's not. Wow. That's scary. Wow. Okay. That's crazy. A Mirror Universe Tribble. Cool. The next thing that we have is a Star Trek Deep Space Nine figure, it looks like. Worf. This is Lieutenant Commander Worf from Star Trek The Next Generation and Deep Space Nine. Looks like this is from Deep Space Nine. Wow. It's actually a really nice figure. Definitely a lot of detail in there. Got Worf with his little badge. Comes on his stand. Definitely really nice. And comes also with his Klingon batleth. Klingon sword. So last month in the Borg box, we got a Locutus figure. So this is Worf for Way of the Warrior. That's actually really cool. Let's see. Next up, we have a pair of Star Trek socks. It's got Captain Picard on the little label. That's cool. And of course the Klingon crest on the sock. Klingon socks for Way of the Warrior. That's pretty cool. And we also have a Star Trek Discovery, a lapel pin, Starfleet Command Division. That's pretty cool. That was one of my favorite things in the previous box, was the Star Trek Discovery insignia pin. This is a lapel pin. I like that. I like that a lot. See, we also have a Klingon badge. That's pretty cool. So this is another magnetic badge, but this one has the Klingon insignia on it. Like that. That's really cool. Oh, and finally, we also have a decal. A little decal with the Klingon crest. So that's pretty cool. And then also another code for some loot on the Star Trek Online computer game. Pretty cool. So yeah, pretty good haul for the second Star Trek mission crate. Way of the Warrior is the theme for this month. So yeah, not too bad. If you're interested in getting a Star Trek loot crate or know someone who likes Star Trek, this would be a pretty cool gift. I'll put a link down in the description below where you can get $5 off your own Star Trek loot crate. They come out, it's supposed to come out bi-monthly, so every other month. But check it out if you're interested. Pretty good selection of collectibles, including some like our little Tribble here that I'd never heard of. But until next time, see you later. Bye. They are little fuzzy. Oh, Lord.